The 2025 Ford GT is a high-performance supercar. But like any vehicle, it may come with potential drawbacks or areas of concern. Some possible hidden faults to watch for could include 1. Limited practicality. The Ford GT is designed for track performance, not daily usability. Interior space and comfort may be minimal. 2. Maintenance costs, high-end. Materials and advanced engineering lead to expensive maintenance and repair bills. 3. Heat management. Turbocharged engines, like the EcoBoost V6, can suffer from overheating issues during prolonged high-performance use. 4. Visibility. Low ride height and aggressive design may reduce visibility. 5. Limited tech updates compared to newer rivals. Infotainment and driver assist technologies might lag. 6. Rare parts. Limited production can make sourcing replacement parts or repairs challenging. 7. Depreciation risks. While rare, market fluctuations can affect the car's investment value. Always inspect and review performance feedback when considering a supercar like the Ford GT.